Hello, welcome back to Dad How Do I. If you've got a VW key like this, I have a VW Golf. A lot of them are very simple. As you can see, when I press the button, it no longer works. So you may go out to your car and you can't open your car. You can obviously with the key, but it may tell you on the dashboard that the battery in the key fob has gone and you need to replace it. So how do you do that? So this video I'll show you, and it's very simple. So if you come in close, just to check, you see there's no light coming up there, and that's pressing the button. So what we do first is open that, and then there's this panel here. Now, if you've got weak fingers, you may need a knife or something metal to put in there. But for me, I can just pop my fingers on there. I said I could, yeah, and just pop that out. So it's just that panel there. And it tells you on the back what battery you need. It says a CR2025. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. And then to get the old battery out, as you can see, it's got a CR2025 in there. We just pop. Wow, that's on the spring. So the replacement battery, only touch it by the sides, like that, because you don't want the moisture from your fingerprints causing it to rust. And then, yeah, that's it. It's got some clips along here, so you put them in first, and then it's just a snap. Make sure it's flush on both edges. So now the battery's in and the cover has been snapped back into place. We'll just check the car now. If you look at my car, you see the wing mirrors are folded in. I'll press the button. Can I get it in the view? Yeah, we saw the red flashing light, and let's try locking it. And it locks. So, kebab in a bun, job done. Welcome back, and hello to my new viewers.